We're here at Glenns Ferry, Idaho at this stop, a fast food place that's really old and it's older than my dad.
And tell them what you got. You got a Wompus Burger with fries.
I got a Wompus Burger with some fries.
Those are my fries.
PJ, what are you eating?
French fries and I'm eating French fries and chicken strips.
What do you got on that Wompus Burger? Ham, onions, everything. It's a Wompus.
I go like this. Don't write all that.
How is it?
It's good. Really good.
Don't sing this time.
PJ, do you like to play the video game Mortal Kombat?
Uh-huh.
How's your chicken?
Good. No, this is supposed to be like turkey.
I'm gonna finish this first.
So, Fletch, how's that burger?
It's good.
How are those fries?
They're good.
How's the fry sauce?
I don't need any
Good.
more fries.
You think the stop is good?
I don't
Yeah.
need any more fries now.
All done with your fries? How's your chicken?
Good.
Is it so yummy yummy? In your
Yeah.
tummy tummy?
Yeah. It's turkey.
I think you're a turkey.
No, I'm not. I'm not.